Hey everyone, are you tired of making endless sales calls but not getting the result you want? No worries. Welcome to Tecktoniq. In today's video, I am going to show you the perfect sales call structure that will take you from hello to yes every single time. This presentation focuses on understanding and applying a perfect sales call structure. It will guide you through each step of an effective sales conversation from preparation to closing, helping you build trust, uncover needs, present solution, handle objection, and confidently move prospects towards a decision. There are 7 steps for perfect sales call structure. The first one is preparation, second is rapport building, third is setting the agenda, fourth is discovery, fifth is presentation of solution, and the sixth is handling objections. The last one is closing and next step. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced salesperson, mastering these steps will help you build trust, handle objections smoothly, and close more deals faster. So let's get right into it. Preparation and rapport building. Preparation. Before you even pick up the phone, research your prospect, understand the business, and set a clear goal for the call. This will help you sound confident and professional. Rapport building. Start your call with a warm greeting and a friendly tone. Use small talk to break the ice and make the prospect comfortable. Remember, people buy from people they like. Now, set the agenda. Let the prospect know what to expect during the call. For example, you can say, today, I would like to understand your needs, share how we can help, and see if we are a good fit. Does that sound good? This creates transparency and shows respect for their time. Then come the most important part, discovery. Ask open ended questions to uncover the challenges, goals, and needs. Listen carefully, take notes, and don't rush to pitch your solution. This is where you build real trust. Next is handling objections. Don't be afraid of questioning or concerns. They are actually a good sign. Use the LAER method. Listen, acknowledge, explore, and respond. Stay calm and confident. So, finally, closing and next step. Summarize what you have discussed, confirm if your solution makes sense to them, and propose a clear next step like scheduling a demo or sending a proposal. Always end with a gratitude for their time. Now, here are few quick tips for success. Be confident but genuine because confident build trust but always stay authentic and honest. Listen more than you talk. Show real interest in the prospect answer. Avoid interrupting. Keep it simple. Avoid jargon and explain solutions in clear, easy to understand language. Stay positive. Even if the call does not go as planned, stay professional and optimistic. So, in conclusion, mastering a perfect sales call is not about scripts, it's about understanding, structure, and connection. By preparing well, listening actively, and guiding the conversation through each step, you can build trust, address real needs, and confidently move prospects forward. Remember, every call is an opportunity to learn, improve, and create lasting relationships. So, keep practicing, stay curious, and success will follow. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.